Well, if you want to take a look just diagonally over to your right, you can see there's this very big building there with lots of brightly colored windows. Now that's the Mika building. It used to be the Hill Street Police Station and Barracks, but now it's the office building for the Ministry of Information, Communication and the Arts. And if you wonder how many windows are there, in total, there are 911 colored windows altogether. Now, this actually includes the colored windows inside and on the other side of the building as well. And over to your right here, you can see our very own G-Max Reverse Bungee. Now this is just about $40 per person. It shoots you up at the speed of about 200 kilometers per hour. It'll spin you around and bring you back in less than 60 seconds. If you want to try this, head down here tonight. But please be here before dinner, not right after that. Alright? So here we are, all safely back at where we first started over at Clarkie. Everyone, thank you so much for joining us. I hope you've learned something new about Singapore on this journey. Hope you'll enjoy the rest of your stay here. I hope you'll come back to Singapore again. Alright? Thank you everyone and have a pleasant day ahead. And also happy Chinese New Year to all of you.